Okay, I'm going to record this one because this thing kind of bombed out and I think it might be useful. So I come back into this conversation that I had previously had. This is about Project Everberry and it's about the grant concept. I wanted to test out what the slides would end up looking like. Would the slides, and calling a custom GPT here, how would it turn out? And I think I did a good job. I need different graphics and pictures here, but I come down in here, I come back in later, and you notice that there's 2 of 2. That's because I was trying to tell it, it said, would you like me to add more slides? So I said yes, and it just kept bombing out. So I think it's because it doesn't know that whether or not it's still in a custom GPT, and so it kind of just fails every time, and it's like a hard fail. So I come down in here and I just say, can you suggest what the next slides will be? And now watch this. I can say slide. So here we are. And then I can say, can you continue creating slides using the suggested list? Okay, now this should start talking. As you can see, it's talking to SlidesGPT. I just want to see if it starts going, and then we can always circle back. This is likely a good way to handle it. There we are. It's creating. So SlidesGPT does execute, 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 and then it starts showing up. Now I've noticed that sometimes when these things are running in a series, that you can get hung up because this will turn back active. It doesn't know that it's still running, and content just starts showing up here. You can get confused and end up kicking off a new conversation when you're not supposed to. Okay, so it only created one. Next view. Just do the work. Don't do one and then ask me if it's okay. So there we go. I think this is going to work now. It's back on track. So little tip there. So if it comes out, you can just ask, can you suggest that with the next several slides? Or so it won't do the task. Ask what it should be doing, and that's back to your normal conversation, and then kick off the custom GPT. See if this thing finished. Oh, so see, it's executing too. Action, action. That's going to keep going. Now it's probably rendering. I'm going to stop.